Okay, to get started with the Umajin platform, the first thing we need to do is go ahead and register, download, and install the Umajin editor. So what you're going to want to do is open your preferred browser and just go to umajin.com. Once there, in the top right, you'll see a request download button. Just go ahead and click that. And then you're just going to be asked to create a quick account and fill in this information. Now once you go ahead and fill all that in, just go ahead and click the submit button. Now you may notice where I highlighted right there, once you click submit, it may say right at the bottom that it's processing. Please wait. Just give it a second, and in a couple seconds you should be redirected to a thank you page. And you'll notice it says we have sent you an email with your login details. Please check your inbox. So now if you go ahead and just check your inbox, you should see an email from support@umajin.com with your username that you created and a temporary password that's been assigned to you. You can change this temporary password once you log in. So for now we can just minimize that and we can go ahead and click the login button. And once you log in, you'll be brought to the download portal, and we can see we can download Umajin App Creator for both Mac OS and Windows. You'll notice there's also Umajin Preview and Umajin Portal, and we'll get into those in another video. So for now we're going to go ahead and just download the Umajin App Creator. I'm going to download for the Mac since I'm running a Mac right now. I'm also going to download it for Windows, because in this video I'll also show the install process on a Windows system. Okay, and if you're on Mac, once you have that download, just go ahead and run the DMG file, and then you can just simply take the Umajin App Creator and drag and drop it into applications. I already have it, so I'm going to say replace. If you're upgrading, you'll choose replace as well, and if it's a brand new install for you, you've never had Umajin before, obviously you'll just go ahead and run. So we'll just say replace, and that's it. Now I can go to applications and run the Umajin App Creator. Go ahead and click open. And once that's open, you'll get to the sign on screen. Now what you want to do here is use the credentials you used to register for the download. And now you're going to go ahead and you're going to need that temporary password. So we're going to go right down here, copy this out. If you've gone ahead already and changed your temporary password, you'll use whatever you changed it to. I'm going to select Remember Me and choose Login. Now you have the Umajin App Creator successfully installed, and now you can start creating a brand new blank application or using one of the existing templates that we provide. Okay, so that's how we install and get it running on a Mac. Now let's go through the Windows process. Okay, so now we're going to go through the process on a Windows system. So once you have the MSI file downloaded, just go ahead and double click it, and that'll bring up the Umajin Setup Wizard. And we're just going to go ahead and click the next button. Agree to the terms of service. If you want to read them, you can just click the View Terms of Service button. We'll click Next. Just leave that as the default folder. Next, Install. Yes. And finish. So that's all there is to registering, downloading, and installing the Umajin platform. In our next video, we'll go through a UI walkthrough.